Welcome to Pork Chops and Applesauce. I'm your host, Christopher Knight. You know, for our country, extreme swings in highs and lows over a 10-day forecast are par for the course. And if there's one thing we know for sure, weather is certainly unpredictable. Modern farms may look different than they did 100 years ago, but the goals are very much the same. Provide the best care possible for livestock to ensure they provide the best quality product. Each year, Iowa has more than 150 days reaching over 95 degrees and nearly 30 days of snowfall. And the average annual humidity runs at about 65%. Iowa is also the home to more than 30% of the United States pig population. Now, fortunately for pigs, they are highly adaptable and can live in a variety of temperatures. And just like us humans, at the top of the pig's comfort list are ambient temperature and air movement. Fans, inlets, heaters, controllers all work together to regulate each barn's temperature and relative humidity. There are other influencing factors such as the type of floor, insulation properties of both the floor and the barn, bedding type, and of course, the outside temperature. And as a pig grows, their environmental preferences change. So weight and stage of production also play a role in creating an optimal environment for a pig. For some farmers, their pigs live in a cool barn when they don't have air conditioning themselves. It's truly putting the animal's well-being before their own. Close supervision and management and the use of modern technologies are tools in today's highly functioning livestock facilities. No matter the season outside the barn, it's the optimal season inside for today's livestock. And it's not just comfortable temperatures that modern livestock barns provide. Well-managed barns make sure that farm animals stay in and predators and pests stay out. So the next time your mom asks, were you raised in a barn? Remember, for the pigs and chickens that are, it's a pretty nice life. I'm Christopher Knight, and this has been Pork Chops and Applesauce.